One day, they meant everything to you. The next, they are just gone. But before you let this pain consume you, listen to this. Hey everyone, welcome to Beyond the Breakup. Heartbreak. It's something almost all of us go through, yet no one ever prepares us for it. It feels like your world is shattering, like the air has been sucked out of your lungs. But what if I told you there's a way through it? This is the story of Rahul, who, like many of us, faced heartbreak and slowly found his way to healing. Stage 1, Denial. This can't be happening. Rahul never saw it coming. One day, everything was fine. The next, he was staring at a simple text. I think we should take a break. His heart raced. No, this wasn't real. He kept refreshing the chat, waiting for a just kidding message. He scrolled through their old pictures, replayed their memories in his head, convincing himself this was just a misunderstanding. But deep down, he knew it was over. How to get through denial? Denial is your mind's way of protecting you from pain. But healing starts when you stop waiting for a message that will never come. Mute the chat, put the photos away, take a deep breath. Acceptance is the first step. Stage 2, Anger. Why did they do this to me? Then the anger hit. How could she? Rahul thought. After everything I did for her, his hands clenched into fists. Every happy memory twisted into a lie. He felt betrayed, used. He typed out long, furious messages but never hit send. He wasn't just angry at her, he was angry at himself for not seeing it sooner. How to get through anger? Anger is energy. You can either let it consume you or use it to grow. Write a letter, but don't send it. Scream into a pillow. Go for a run. Let the fire burn, but don't let it destroy you. Stage 3, Bargaining. Maybe if I had done things differently. After the anger fades, the what ifs begin. Maybe if I had been more understanding. Maybe if I hadn't argued that day. Maybe if I just reach out one more time. Rahul found himself typing, Can we talk? But his thumb hovered over the send button. He was searching for a reason, a loophole, a way to fix what was already broken. How to get through bargaining? You can't rewrite the past. No matter how many what ifs you play in your mind, the outcome won't change. Instead of asking, What could I have done differently? Ask yourself, What can I learn from this? Growth comes from looking forward, not backward. Stage 4, Depression. The loneliness feels endless. Then came the emptiness, the exhaustion, the numbness. Rahul didn't want to get out of bed. The thought of moving on felt impossible. Friends checked in, but he ignored their messages. The world was moving forward, but he felt stuck in a place. It felt like he would never feel happiness again. How to get through depression? This is the hardest stage, but remember this, pain is temporary. Talk to a friend, journal your thoughts, go for a walk, even if it feels pointless. Slowly, day by day, the weight will lift. You won't feel like this forever. Stage 5, Acceptance, a new beginning. One morning, Rahul woke up, and for the first time, his first thought wasn't about her. The pain was still there, but it wasn't consuming him anymore. He didn't check his phone for messages. He stretched, took a deep breath, and for the first time in months, he felt like something different: peace. How to get through acceptance. Acceptance doesn't mean forgetting, it means making peace with what happened and choosing to move forward. It means understanding that some people are meant to be lessons, not lifelong partners. And most importantly, it means making room for something better. Your best days are ahead. Heartbreak is not the end of your story, it is just a chapter. And the next chapter. That's where you rise. That's where you become stronger, wiser, and happier than ever thought possible. So, if you are in pain right now, just remember this won't last forever. You're healing even if you don't see it yet. And one day, you'll wake up just like Rahul and realize you have moved on. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guidance on healing and personal growth. Your story isn't over yet. Thank you.